Is your iPhone battery draining faster than usual, or do you just want to see how much life it has left? Apple makes it easy to check your battery health so you can monitor performance and know when it might be time for replacement. In today's video, I'll show you how to check battery health on your iPhone so you can keep your device running at its absolute best. Hey, what's up everyone, I'm Steph, and in this channel, I teach you quick daily tech tips that make your life a little easier. On your iPhone, tap on Settings, tap on Battery Health and Charging. Here you can see my maximum capacity is 80%, but my iPhone 13 Pro has been around for 2 years plus, so that's probably right so. So right now, every day when I go out, I carry a power bank with me wherever I go just in case my battery runs flat. However, if you want to change your battery on your iPhone permanently, you can go to this official iPhone Apple website below and see the cost and location of an authorized replacement. I'll put the link in the description below as well. There you go. If you found today's video useful, do give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more useful videos like this. Until the next video, I'm Steph, take care and bye bye.